Well, hello guys and welcome to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna be doing a review try-on of the new e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset palette, and this is what the inside looks like right here. And this one actually retails for $10. I got mine online. I could not find it anywhere in my stores nearby. So on their site it says, our best-selling rose gold eyeshadow, now in warmer, deeper sunset shades. This 10-color palette is a mix of shimmer, matte finishes to help create multi-dimensional looks. These ultra-pigmented, finely milled eyeshadows glide on perfectly whether you're in the mood for a subtle or a bold eye. And I completely agree. I feel like you can get a very bold look with the darker shades right here, or you just get a subtle look and just stick to like the lighter shades. So it is what I used on my eyes today. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so my eyes have already been primed and set, and I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the e.l.f. palette. So it doesn't really have any light shades to like set the eyes, because this one right here, it's the lightest shade and it's a shimmer, so you'll probably need to jump into a single shadow like I did, or just another palette if you don't have a single shadow to set your eyes. But it does have other mattes. It has 4 mattes, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this one right here, which is like a pinky color. I'm just gonna keep adding the same color, just building it up on the crease. Okay, so up next I'm gonna start using this shade right here, which is a really pretty like an olive green shimmer, and then I'm gonna apply some on the inner corner and the outer corner of the lid. And I'm going to try to leave the middle part without anything and see how that works out. I think I'm going to use my finger. And I'm gonna go into this shade with the brush and then just kind of blend it out. And I'm gonna add very little on the crease, kind of connecting them. Very, very little. And then blend this out as well. And then I'm gonna jump into this one right here, which is right next to the olive green, and it's kind of like a golden shimmer, and then I'm gonna apply that to the middle of the lid with a finger. And then on top of that I'm gonna add this really pretty golden yellow shimmer. Okay, and I'm gonna go back into the olive green, this one right here, and then put that on the outer corner, because I feel like we kind of lost a little bit. Also, please excuse my nails. I haven't painted them. Okay, and to blend it all in, I'm gonna add this one right here, which is like just like a brown, a regular matte brown. I'm gonna add that to the crease. So I'm having difficulties keeping the color on the lid. Like if anything touches it, I don't know if you guys can see right there, it kind of lifts up the color. So I'm gonna try wetting my finger and see if that helps with the shades. Okay, I think that kind of helped. Okay, Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off all the fallout, which actually wasn't much, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so I think I'm gonna stop right there for the eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and we'll come back to finish the eyes. Okay, so I finished off the face, so now we're gonna finish the rest of the eyes, and I'm gonna jump into this shade right here and put that on the lash line. Okay, and then I'm gonna jump into the olive green again and put it on just the half outer part of the lash line. Actually, I'm gonna just bring it all the way in up until like right here, and I'm gonna leave that blank, and I'm gonna put another color there. Kind of connecting it to the top, and then blend it all out. Okay, and I'm going to take that golden shade now and put that on the inner part of the lash line that we left blank. Kind of wet brush actually. And I'm going to use that same golden shade as my inner corner highlight. And just kind of connecting it to the bottom. Okay, so that's it for the shadows. I'm going to go ahead and apply my liner, mascara, and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. Okay, and this is the finished look that I came up with the e.l.f. Rose Gold Sunset palette. And my final thoughts on this palette is that I actually really enjoyed it. Some were a little bit tough for me to work with. I've never actually had an e.l.f. palette before, so I didn't know what to expect. The fallout wasn't bad, the pickup wasn't bad, the pigment was definitely there, but some of the shimmers kept picking up after I would go over them, so I'm not sure why that was happening. I'll probably have to play with it a little more before I can figure out whether I like it or not. I did get to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shadows out of 10. So I did use half of the palette, so we'll see how the other half perform. But I mean, so far I really like the look that I came up with. That olive green, it's so pretty. I really enjoyed it. So I don't know, I think it's worth the $10. I think if you like these type of colors, then you'll enjoy this palette. If you don't like these shades, then it's probably not even, there's no point for you to get this palette. But if you have not tried any e.l.f. palettes, I would recommend this one. I don't know how this compares to others, so I can't say this is the best out, the worst. I don't know, I liked it. I'll continue using it. You guys probably will see it in other get ready with me's that I'll do. And those are my thoughts on this palette. That's it. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review try on of the e.l.f. palette. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you would subscribe so that you can see my future videos, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.